Alright guys, back with the old helmet. It just gives me better audio, so when I'm not at the track I'll probably use this more until I get a new helmet. But yeah, today, as you can tell by the title, we're bringing the drone out to the top of that hill right in front of us, and we're gonna fly it, see what we can see. Today is May 6th, which for those of you who keep up with Supercross, it is the finale in Las Vegas, so I'll be watching that tonight. Honestly, I'm hoping that Tomac pulls through, but I think Dungey has a chance. We'll see. You guys already obviously know by the time this comes out, since there's no way I'm gonna get it edited tonight and out tonight. But yeah, we'll see if my prediction's right. What is that? How do you get a McDonald's coffee out here? Oh, I guess by truck. Alright, looks somewhat clear. Let's see if we can find some shade. Bike doesn't necessarily need to be in the shade, just me. Right here's good. Anyways, so this is where we're gonna fly. I'm gonna go ahead and put the GoPro down. Now you're just gonna see drone footage until I'm done, and then it'll go back to the GoPro footage. So we're gonna head back now. I'm gonna edit. If anything interesting happens on the way back, you'll see that obviously, but more than likely not. So thanks for tuning in on my little drone adventure here. We'll definitely have to do some more like this sometime, because there's definitely some good shots in there. I don't know how they'll turn out, but yeah, if you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.